Good morning, y'all. We're here at Hollywood Studios. I wasn't expecting to come here today, but I'm at Hollywood Studios. I'm only here at the Tower of Terror, and then I'm going to Animal Kingdom. Yeah. Today is the last day for Tough to Be a Bug, so I'm going to ride it. But let's get a quick ride on Tower of Terror since I'm here. And there's no whole point of scanning in and not getting on something here. So, yep. I will talk to you guys once I get on Tower of Terror.
The Twilight Zone.
So I just got off Tower of Terror and oh, got the best sequins on it. It's so good. It's so good. But it's time to head over to Animal Kingdom. What time is it? It is 10:06, so the bus should be start to run for park hopping. So let's go over to Animal Kingdom. Also, it's so funny. Tower is a 55. I waited from right from that point. That's not a 55. They'd be crazy. But yeah, let's head over to Animal Kingdom, and we're doing really great on time, so should get to Animal Kingdom hopefully around 10:40. I'm gonna do Tough to Be a Bug. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna at least do Tough to Be a Bug maybe twice. But yeah, I will talk to you guys once I arrive at DAC.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hey y'all, so we're here at Animal Kingdom, and we're here to do Tough to Be a Bug's last day. And, you know, I gotta support one of my childhood favorite attractions. One more shot of Animal Kingdom. Yeah, we're gonna do that first, and then we're gonna do Everest, maybe Dino, and then we're gonna do Tough to Be a Bug, and then we're gonna get some lunch, and then I'm gonna leave. Because I have work this afternoon. So let's get inside and just do Tough to Be a Bug first. So I just got off Tough to Be a Bug, and it was really good. I got a lot of shots and angles of different sights and sounds. I'm gonna do it one more time before I leave out. Well, I'm gonna head over to Everest because why not? And then I might do Dino, probably not. Yeah, because I'll be back here. Probably not gonna do Dinosaur for the first time. But yeah, let's head over to Everest. And I'm gonna miss Tough to Be a Bug. It's definitely a childhood attraction I definitely enjoy, but hopefully this new Zootopia show is somewhat better. Don't have any hope for it. Really don't. My expectations are very low for it, but let's head over. Personally, also Cali River Rapids opened till yesterday. I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to get soaked and I have work in less than a few hours. And yeah, but anyways, I may go get lunch at Harambe's Market because I'm really craving that little gyro type sandwich. But yeah, what else do I gotta say? But yeah, I will talk to you guys once I get off Everest. I just got off Everest. I got row 16 or row 17. It was the back, second to the back, and oh, so good, so good. I love the backward section of the ride, so good. But I'm gonna do Tough to Be a Bug one more, my final ride on Tough to Be a Bug, and then I'm gonna go get lunch at Harambe's Market, and then I'm going to leave. But I was gonna do Dinosaur, but yeah, I love Dinosaur, but it probably won't be longer. But that ain't close until the end of the year, so you're not the star of the show today. But yeah, let's go over to Tough to Be a Bug, and I will talk to you guys once I am at the front entrance of the ride. Or actually, let me talk to you guys probably once I get off. But yeah. Also,
that we like to taste, you'd be out there wallowing in shoulder high waves. And if all that's were white dog, got face on the planet, there'd soon be no humans around here to panic. The best thing about us, you can't live without us, till it's time to be alive. It's a piece of cake.
and just like that, sorry if the music is very blaring, but just like that, I just got my last official show of Tough to Be a Bug, and they brought back the OG glasses for today. They weren't doing that, what was it, like 30 minutes ago, but yeah. Yeah, I just got my last official ride on this, and not ride, but show, and it was so good, but yeah, I'm gonna miss this ride. Childhood favorite, and peace out. And I ordered food too, so I'm about to go pick up food at Harambe Market, and I'm gonna go because I got work soon. So peace.
Few minutes later.
All right, y'all, and just like that, I'm out. I had an amazing short day here at Animal Kingdom and the Hollywood Studios. I got a ride on Tower of Terror, 2 shows on Tough to Be a Bug, and a ride on Everest. Great day, enjoying the last day of Tough to Be a Bug. It is very windy out here, but yeah, I'm really sad, but you know what? I'm excited for the new things that are going to be happening, and you